Dilip to come forward to receive the felicitation. Havildar Dilip the felicitation. For these, I'd like to request calling on our next awardee, Sri Krishna Patu, felicitation of Parade Commander and second in parade command in today's parade ceremony. I'd like to invite our parade commander. Congratulations to diphu Government College Commander Angel Pro. Calling on for presenting the citation and trophy to the national anthem performer. Congratulations to all the winners of the NCC in Uniform Cadet. Now, moving forward to announcing of the best school non-uniform contingent, starting from the third best contingent. Congratulations and thank you. Calling on our next awardee, Sri Roman Rompar, Headmaster, Center B. Rock. I believe that is the Women's Department. Now I'm announcing for the Department of Agriculture. Headmaster, Molohoy English LP School, Bokajang Block. To give this award, I request again our Honorable MP Sir to kindly do the honor of presenting the award to
Momsi ingdeng troxikera troxianang lel asila so along ni lipansi man pengal hi sarpo sunsi lipanang hang ponlo lasi pini eletung samjin pen sitalon ponlo karbiang long huri bohong abe pin pen kebon abe pin pen se kebon kankira abe pin pen se pini talon ponlo samjin pen se la pen lipang dak ponlo laro pan biota isi ki jume bang elet ma MP alang li alam penta ninje tulo hemprek aputhake alam det kali alang bill ta private bill ta place la pen la so puthak pharohini so se abilang bong pen non gacheng baiji aphan president of India la pen speaker la pen honorable chief prime minister chief minister la pen honorable home minister tum hukum pilo la se karbi anglong arat hoi pen ili omor sing diso MP ka phan ni klong pen chorolo la so nalang li ajil ding klui pen altum hemprek ke hang la so ka pichun ji phan parliament long la sa bill ke ban pot